What is my library account, and how do I use it?
Your username is your McGill email. Your password is the same for all other McGill accounts. Once you've signed in, you can view your loans, check due dates, renew items, and check to see if you've got any fines. To renew items, click on Renew. Check the status of your holds by clicking on Holds. If you have any requests pending, you can see them here. If you notice that you have a fine, you can pay it by debit or credit card at the information desk of any McGill Library branch. If you have any questions about your library account, contact a staff member for help. Visit our website and follow us for the latest news, announcements, and events. Thank you for watching.